I'm Marcie from Marcie and Mommyland, and today we're at the Courtyard by Marriott theme park entrance hotel. And I am so excited to do a room tour for you guys. I've been wanting to stay at this hotel for years. It's that really cool hotel that's like kind of kitty corner from the entrance to Disneyland that has like the whole water park that you can see from the road as you're driving in. And I've just been dying to come here because I keep hearing what an amazing kid-friendly hotel this is. So I'm finally here. I'm here for the awesome Mastermind theme park blogger conference, and I'm staying here for the first time, and I'm so excited to check it out. And I'm hoping to come back with my kids really soon to so they can enjoy this amazing hotel room as well. So I thought I would give you a room tour. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around and show you what the room is like. Okay, so it's basically a nice big hotel room. I can kind of show you here. I have the 2-queen room. So here's the first queen and the second queen bed. And then it's got this really cool kind of like dining area right here in the corner of the room. And what I like about this is you can get takeout food and eat it in your room, which can save you a lot of money. Downstairs they have a bistro that has breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it's a great place to send one parent down, grab the food, come up, keep the kids in this little nook area, and they can enjoy their food in the room, and you don't have to deal with kids at a restaurant, which is very stressful for me. And speaking of kids, check out this cool bunk bed that they have. How adorable is that? My kids love, love, love bunk beds. This one has, it's like a nice little ladder to get right up. You can kind of see the beds. They're just, little twin beds. Well, actually, these are probably a little bit skinnier than a twin bed. But they are perfect for kids. My boys would go nuts. They absolutely love bunk beds. So in this room, you can sleep 2 people per queen bed and then two kids in these bunk beds. So this room sleeps 6. It's also got a TV, and I noticed that the remote has a Netflix button, so you can watch Netflix in your room, which is amazing. And then check out how large this desk is. So there's the desk chair, there's the desk, and then it has another little table kind of thingy here that you can put your suitcase on. So you have a workspace, you have the suitcase area, and there's like plenty of drawers down here that you can unpack. I love to use packing cubes, and these drawers are perfect for fitting a packing cube in. So I definitely love that. Then for all of us, I'm from Seattle, all of us who need our coffee every morning, they have a nice Keurig setup, and it comes with 4 pods, which is nice, and cups, and the cups have lids, which is very helpful when you have little kids who maybe like to bonk into you while you're drinking your coffee. Alrighty, and then over here we have a microwave, which is another amazing amenity to have when you have little kids. You can go ahead and bring like little packets of oatmeal for the mornings. You can just heat up some oatmeal. You could heat up, we like to make hot chocolate in the room sometimes, which is fun, or apple cider. And it's just nice. You can grab frozen food to heat up. You can heat up leftovers. All of that is really, it's really helpful to have. And as I'm speaking about leftovers and things, there is a mini fridge as well, which I am always a fan of. And it's got plenty of space. It's even got a shelf in there. And then they've got the little door. My boys love to have milk first thing in the morning. Well, especially my youngest. And so we always go and make sure that we have milk from either there's the little market downstairs in the lobby, or if we were to bring in our own food and drinks, it's nice to know that we can put it in the fridge. And while I was checking into the hotel, I saw that somebody was delivering a bunch of food to downstairs, and so I know that it's an option for you to get groceries delivered to your hotel room if you didn't want to make an extra trip, like if you're flying in. And then right underneath, so this is where the microwave and the fridge was. Then they've got these two large areas, which is perfect If you bought a lot of snacks, that you could put the snacks in here. If you brought like a case of water or something, all of these are like, this is really good storage for that type of thing. Plus you can always put more suitcases or whatever you need. And then there is a double closet here. You can kind of see big double doors. And I'm opening it up here to show you that you're safe. There are hangers already here. There is an iron and ironing board, which is super helpful if you're planning on doing nice photography inside the parks. It's always nice to kind of iron everything before you go. And it's got one of these little luggage rack thingies, which is nice. The closet itself is very spacious. Look above. You even have shelves up here to put more items. So if you do have 6 people in this hotel room, you can easily get all of their luggage in here without stumbling over them. And then here is the bathroom. Hi. It's got double sinks, which are my favorite thing, especially with kids, because both of them can be brushing their teeth at the same time without it being a big issue. Here is the shower with a full bathtub, which is perfect when you're traveling with little kids. My boys prefer to take baths, and they can play in there for quite a while, and that is okay with me. But that's not all. If you look over here, there is a shower. How cool is that? So here is the shower with a nice big faucet thingy. Shower head, I mean, and the drain. But it's a glass shower door, which are really helpful with kids so that you can keep an eye on them while you're taking a shower. And then this is also where you have your toilet. And plenty of towels. And this hotel has a hair dryer. I have a lot of hair, and it's always nice to know if there's a hair dryer. Not all hotels provide them anymore. And they also have, it looks like Paul Mitchell shampoo, lotion, and let's see, I'm assuming conditioner. Yep, it's conditioner. And then as well as some soap, which is nice to know. Alrighty. So here, oh, and there's more. There's more soap and conditioner and shampoo inside the shower too, so you won't run out of that. So here is what the room looks like again. I'm in room on the 6th floor. And so here is plenty of counter space. There is the bunk beds. There's a little nook area here, like a breakfast nook. There are 2 queen beds, quite a big entryway. Let me show it to you once more. I already brought my stuff in, so please excuse that. But they have this nice little area. I was able to put my carry-on bag, my suitcase, some papers. There's also a nice mirror here so you can check yourself, make sure your mini ears are on correctly. All right, and there you have it. That's my room tour of the Courtyard by Marriott theme park entrance hotel. It's about a 10-minute walk to Disneyland, and there's food downstairs. There's the bistro and the market. But what they're most famous for is that they have a fantastic water park. When you check in, you'll get little wristbands where you can go and use the water park. They also have a hot tub on site. I will have another video that will showcase the different, what the water park looks like and some pictures, and I'll include all of this in a blog post later. But that's what they're most famous for. So if you're coming to Disneyland and you want to have a rest day in between some of your park days, this is a really fantastic option because you can spend all day just at the hotel. You can get food here. You can play at the water park. Your kids will have a blast. It is an amazing hotel so far, and I'm very excited to spend the next few days here. So thank you for watching. I'm Marcie from Marcie and Mommyland. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks so much.